shit is trash, but at the end of the day, you know what it is, man.
I didn't know they had Justin Bieber on the motherfucking track like that. I thought you fucking with Usher.
That's what happens in administration. They turn white collar. Family first, man.
First, bro. You already, man.
Go, y'all niggas in, y'all niggas back, y'all. Let's go.
The family, man.
Niggas getting into it, though.
Nah, I got a little situation we about to take care of.
Niggas talking, you know what I'm saying? So we gotta run down, nigga. You know, double definitely down for whatever, nigga. You know, we ride each other, nigga.
Whatever, niggas like got that yacht man downstairs, nigga.
Hey, man, so we out there.
We said Justin Bieber and Bobby Brown in the situation. Justin Bieber and Bobby Brown.
Yeah. Check it out, I'm the one they talk about. It's B-Kells in this bitch, you should watch your mouth. Little homie, I don't play, my hammers do bang. And if you don't believe me, you can find out today. Don't believe in God, I can show you the way. You trying to get bread, I can show you how to bake. Homie, I got weight, them quarters in them eights. And I'll be done with that about 7:45. I heard you do the great, while smoking on the grape. You was trying to be a hero and forgot your cape. Homie, I feel great, I'm all about the cake. I'm trying to keep away from the phony in the face. I take an L in the face, shorty pump your brakes. No matter what you do, these niggas gon' fucking hate. If you ain't talking facts, then we can't relate. Gotta watch these niggas, cause these niggas all snake. My niggas all real and we know it. We don't talk the shit, we show it. Got a couple of things that'll back you down. My niggas all then they better act around. My niggas all real and we know it. We don't talk that shit, we show it. Who wanna knuckle up? Nobody wanna knuckle up. What up? What up? Shut the fuck up. My niggas authentic, we know it. Been with it, been did it, been smoked it. She was with it, we was with it, been poked it. I don't television, nah, I telescope it. Mommy is a brainiac, try to stay focused. 24 hours thought how I gotta open. Shots fired out of the cannon, no joking. Let's stretch you more than your t-shirt, homie. No Hope Hogan. Catch me out in 7 Jers, Hoboken. Rolling up something real nice, all potent, real wavy. Something like beach ocean with no emotion. B-Kel, stay focused, you should know this. Fuck that, nigga, off the top of the dome, nigga. Walk around with the chrome, nigga, leave me alone, My niggas all real and we know it. We don't talk the shit, we show it. Got a couple of things that'll back you down. My niggas all then they better act around. My niggas all real and we know it. We don't talk that shit, we show it. Who wanna knuckle up? Nobody wanna knuckle up. What up? What up? Shut the fuck up. I used to move with the rock, never ran from the cop. Hood niggas from the hood always listen to the locks. Gangsta since a baby, kicking niggas out the box. Now that I'm grown, kicking niggas off the block. Motherfucker, I'm hot, whether you like it or not. For the love of the money, niggas will kill for a shot. Same niggas to plot, be the one to get popped. You thought you really had it, but you never had to drop. Now a nigga lay in the streets, they wanna call a cop. Paramedics take forever, and then his life stops.
Niggas ready? You ready? Yo, Mac, you ready, nigga?
We ready, so that's what we
Let's
get.
do this, man. Let's do this.